Hey, do you want to learn how to add Google Analytics to your Totalum AI app builder project? In this video, I'll show you how to do it. So let's get to it. First of all, you need to go over to your accounts page of Totalum AI. Then on it, on the left-hand side, you need to go to your projects and open up a project where you want to integrate Google Analytics. For example, for me, I'm going to integrate here in Solvebase. Let's press on Open button, and it's going to take you over to this page, your project page. And then on it, towards the right hand side, you'll find the Totalum AI. In here, you need to type in add Google Analytics to code to my website. And then it's going to start integrating the code. It's going to ask you for the API keys next. So you just need to type in the measurement ID here. For this, you need to go over to analytics.google.com. And here, if you have already made an account and property for it, good. Go inside the property, and then in home, you'll find get tagging instructions. If you have not yet made an account, then on the bottom left corner, you'll find admin. Click on that, and then create a new account or property from here. Once you have made an account, it will take you over to the property page. You need to select the data stream as web application and not the iOS or Android. Once you do that, it's going to show like something like this right here. And you can go back to the analytics dashboard page. And then if you want to find your data streams, this thing again, you can just go over to admin, then property settings, inside it, data collection and modifications. Inside here, you'll find data streams. Just go over here, all go inside this, and then you'll find the tagging instructions. You do need to put this stream URL. It should be same as your application URL. So if you want to find your application URL, you just need to go back to totalum.app, your project, and then on the top right corner, press on publish. Inside it, you'll see your URL. Currently, I've added the custom URL, but if you have not yet added a custom URL, you will see this default one, which is the Totalum project subdomain URL. So you can copy this from here and then paste it in the stream URL inside analytics.google.com. Or if you have added a custom URL like I've did, then you can do this. If you want to learn how to add a custom domain in Totalum AI App Builder, I have made a separate video on that. You can check it out. Right over here, let's press on View Tag Instructions. And you can press on this Install Manually. And you'll find this code that you can enter inside the AI. Or for us, if you just say add Google Analytics to my app, it's going to do this for you, and then it's going to ask you the measurement ID. So inside here in analytics.google.com, you'll find the measurement ID right here. Copy it, go back here and paste it, then press on both and save secret keys. And then you can tell AI now, I've added this, please use it now. Now the AI is going to add your measurement ID inside your app, like it says. Great news, it's done. Okay, once you have done this, you do need to publish your app again. So on the top right corner, press on the publish button and then publish now. Just click over here. It's going to take around 2 or 3 minutes in order to publish your app again. Once done, let's take this URL that shows up over here. It could be your default URL or the custom URL. Take that, copy it, open up a new incognito tab, and then on it, paste it, and let's check out the app. Okay, now let's say I browse around here, and then I go back to the analytics page. I will find that there is active users right now that shows up in analytics. So yeah, it's working fine. And yeah, that's it. That's how to add Google Analytics to your Totalum AI app builder project. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with the liking comment. And if you want more guides on Totalum AI, it's going to appear on the right hand side. See you there. Bye for now.